Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to adjust the frequency of conversations in Poker Night at the inventory. Let's begin by opening settings. From there, navigate to game settings. Here you can adjust the frequency of the Idle Chitchat by simply adjusting this slider. As you can see, Idle Chitchat is the name of one of few settings, so I'll actually crank it up to the maximum and then simply press the back button and press it once again to save your settings. And well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.